Well, howdy, howdy, y'all. This is Thursday Bible Chat. And salute. It's coffee time, y'all. Well, I want to read to you guys from Leviticus. And the reason why I want to read this is to show you that what they went through before Jesus, that Moses commanded. And this is his sons, Aaron and them. Show you the patience and the dedication that they had to have and the things that they had to go through. And we get a little irritated if a homeless person stops us and wants us to chat us up a little bit or whatever. Or if we have to, we promised that we would go do a bake sale or something, and we're like, oh, I don't feel like getting up this morning. Like, when I say promise to do a bake sale, like at the church to raise money for, somebody that needs it in the church or something, okay? All right, so I want to read this to you real quick. It's Leviticus 8, verse 35. And therefore shall ye abide at the door of the tabernacle of the congregation day and night 7 days, and keep the charge of the Lord, that ye die not. For so I command. So Aaron and his sons did all things which the Lord commanded by the hand of Moses. So y'all understand this, what they had to do. And it wasn't just the priests. The people had to do it. They had to raise up crops. They had to raise up animals. They had to go out and get turtle doves. They had to do all sorts of things to atone for their sins. Okay, and they had to do this regularly, y'all. Okay, and it was a lot of work and a lot of money and a lot of time and a lot of effort and a lot of faith and patience and everything. So the next time the Lord brings somebody by and stops you in your tracks when you're in the middle of shopping or when you're in the middle of doing something and they have a need, don't be impatient with them. Okay, I know it gets irritating after a while, especially if you live in the city. You got all kinds of people coming through, okay, and you're trying to get through the airport or you're trying to get to the store. You got to use discernment there, otherwise you'll go broke. You won't have no money to get on the airplane with. But I mean, use some common sense, all right? But be patient. If the Lord's asked you to do a little something compared to what you would have had to done before Jesus, Jesus not only did he die on the cross and save your soul, but he gave you an easy button. All right, y'all? So stop. Do that little thing. Chat that person up that might stop you in the parking lot or by the store or the door and they're talking to you about their issues. Let them talk to you a little bit and then say, okay, well, I got to get going. Take that few minutes or take that $5 or 10 or 1 or 20 or 50, whatever the Lord lays on your heart to give to this person, and do it with charity, okay? Don't do it begrudgingly because it won't count. All right, love y'all. Do it God's way, not your own way. And have a nice weekend.